Like finally beating the boss in a game that you've been stuck on for days. Coming home from a long days of work. And now you're finally able to get comfortable and relax. Or maybe hitting that goal that you've been working so hard for. Y'all get my point. The list is literally limitless, right? But, okay, hear me out. But also a lot of underrated ones, right? And one of the ones, right, is having a really good soup when it's cold as hell outside. You cannot tell me, bro, something about this having something warm inside you. Whoa. Was that a pause moment? I don't know, we're gonna keep on going. But you cannot tell me that that isn't like low-key a good behind feeling. Having something really warm to eat, especially when you've been freezing all day. So in saying that, right, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this super easy, but flavorful. Bruh, and when I tell you talking about some flavor, son, this soup is it. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get started with a few grunt work. So the first thing you wanna do is get you a pot full of water and throw a generous amount of salt in there. Because we're gonna want to blanching our broccoli. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all don't have to do this at all. I just like to do it because for one, it helps bring out the brighter colors of our broccoli, and then two, it helps stir out the cooking process, you know what I mean? So go ahead and get your crown of broccoli, cut off the stalk, and start peeling off our little broccolis. And now it's time to start making our mirepoix. So get yourself a carrot, cut the top, and then cut that in half, and cut that in half. You're gonna want to julienning our carrots. We're gonna be doing this two different ways because we want one for our mirepoix and one just for we can actually have some carrots inside of our soup. Now our water should be nice and boiling, so just gonna start throwing our broccoli in there. It's not gonna take that long, maybe like 30 to 60 seconds, right? So now let's start going right back to our mirepoix. We're gonna start cutting up our celery and then also our onions as well. So if you blanch your broccoli properly, they should have a nice bright green color. Then once you do that, shock it with some ice water, right? So now let's start adding a little bit extra flavor, and I'm gonna add some bacon into our soup. Now it's time to start adding everything together. So get yourself a pot, right? And now we're gonna start throwing our bacon in here. We're gonna use that to render off all the fat, right? So once you get done doing that, stir everything in until your bacon is nice and fully cooked. And then once you get done doing that, pull off your bacon, and now we got this nice little greasy fat. That's when we're gonna start throwing our mirepoix and plus our added size carrots into it, you know what I mean? Start getting that thing a nice little mix up. And because we're gonna let that caramelize up for maybe like 15 minutes or so, you know what I mean? So once that happens, go ahead and start adding some salt, some black pepper, and then get that a nice little mix up as well. And probably let that cook for another about like 10 to 15 minutes. And so now we're gonna start making a roux. And we already got the fat from my bacon grease, so just add an equal parts flour, mix it in really well, right? And mix it until it's fully incorporated, right? And so once you get done doing that, start adding some chicken broth. And I have some extra chicken broth from an upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. So once you get done pouring in your chicken broth, go ahead and get everything a nice little mix up, right? So once you get done doing that, start adding in some milk and also some heavy cream, right? And go ahead and get that thing a nice little mix up as well, you feel me? And so now, honestly, at this point, once you get done mixing everything in, it's literally just start throwing everything inside one pot, right? So start throwing in your bacon and also start throwing in your broccoli as well. So go ahead and get everything a nice little mix, right? And honestly, at that point, just go ahead and start putting a lid on it and let that simmer for probably about like 15 to 20 minutes. And so once you get done doing that, go ahead and put off your lid, get that thing a nice little stir, and just start slowly starting to thicken up, right? And obviously, you cannot have this soup without any cheddar cheese. I'm using New York style cheddar cheese, right? And honestly, bro, you could use packaged, but shredding your own is way better, right? So start adding your cheese into the mix everything in, then season to taste. I'm using salt, white pepper, black pepper, and some paprika. Stir everything in, mix it up, let it sit for a few minutes. All right, y'all, so soup, we just let it cool down. So I guess it's just time to dig in. Oh man, that thing looking good right now. I want to make sure I get a little bit of everything, boy. Oh man. Man, so y'all, I cannot wait. I'm making a mess, but I don't even care. Cannot wait to dive in. I was thinking about adding some more cheese, but shoot, I don't even know. Probably not though. already cheesy enough, low key. I did got this bread, so let's go ahead and dive this bread in here. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and dig in, bro. Oh my goodness, but y'all see that? Oh man, let's go ahead, bro. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Let's talk about it, son. Please do not fall. Please do not fall. You're gonna make me cry. All right, y'all. So this soup is fire, yo. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, the soup, it got a nice balance of salt. We got a little kick with the paprika we add to it, right? We also added an extra amount of flavor into it since we had used some bacon. The bacon really come in clutch with this, right? So, okay, I ain't gonna lie though, the broccoli is on point, son, on point. It got a slight crunch to it, but still very soft though, you know what I'm saying? And so like, super cheesy, bruh, super cheesy. Hold on, bruh. Honestly, let me also eat with this bread too. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm gonna bust down on you later on, son. This is literally something that you can make when it's nice and cold outside. Okay, it will really warm you up, bro. So, that's another episode of Dawn Entree, man. Go ahead and do me a favor, right? Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff for you to check out the next video. And I'll see y'all to the next. You ready for it? Video. Boom. All right. Ooh. Ooh. Bust down, Tatiana. Come here, girl. My God, bro. I wasn't even having a bad day. My day was actually a pretty good day, right? Woke up, went to the gym, right? Went to the gym, killed my legs, about to be walking like Bambi tomorrow. Went to the park, struggle, I ain't gonna lie, I struggled with a hammock. Maybe that's a bad day. I didn't even get to set it up. I went for a walk though, with my doggy. And then I came home and made this. You gonna make it too? You gonna make it too? Hey, it's cool if you don't, because I'ma eat it. You feel me? I'ma eat it. You feel me? But, you missing out. I'm really busting out on this thing. It's like 1:30 in the morning, and I'm eating soup. I don't know if that's goals or not. I don't know.